Picture this. You're enjoying a juicy banana at breakfast or sipping orange juice at dinner, thinking you're making healthy choices for your body. That's what Rachel, a 67-year-old grandmother, believed until her doctor delivered a chilling warning. Her creatinine levels were dangerously high, signaling her kidneys were in trouble. She doubled down on fruit, assuming it was safe. But 2 months later, she was rushed to the hospital with a life-threatening irregular heartbeat. The culprit? Not chemicals or sugars alone, but potassium, a mineral essential for health but deadly for weakened kidneys. For seniors over 60, the wrong fruits can turn a wholesome snack into a silent threat, pushing you closer to dialysis or worse. After age 40, your kidneys lose 8–10% of their filtering power every decade, leaving you with just 70% capacity by age 70. Generic, eat more fruit, advice can be a trap, as some fruits overload your system with potassium, sodium, phosphorus, or oxalates, leading to muscle weakness, heart rhythm issues, kidney stones, or even cardiac arrest. But there's hope. Nature offers affordable, kidney-friendly fruits that act like medicine, helping lower creatinine and protect your kidneys. Today, we'll reveal 5 fruits that can nourish your kidneys and 7 you must avoid to stay off the dialysis chair. Backed by science, this guide will empower you to choose wisely, transforming your fruit bowl into a source of healing. Let's dive in and discover the fruits that can bless your kidneys with vitality. The science of kidney-safe fruits. When kidneys struggle, creatinine, a waste product from muscle breakdown, builds up in your blood, signaling declining kidney function. 4 factors determine whether a fruit helps or harms your kidneys. Potassium content. Healthy kidneys manage potassium easily, but impaired kidneys can't, leading to muscle weakness, heart rhythm problems, or cardiac arrest. Sodium and phosphorus. Excess sodium and phosphorus in processed fruit products can accumulate, damaging kidneys further. Oxalate levels. High oxalates bind with calcium in urine, forming painful kidney stones, especially risky for seniors with reduced kidney function. Protective compounds. Antioxidants and fibers in certain fruits reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, and toxic waste, supporting kidney health. For seniors over 60, aging kidneys are less efficient, making fruit choices critical. The same fruit that was a health boost at 30 can become toxic at 70. Let's explore the 5 fruits that protect your kidneys and lower creatinine. 5 kidney protective fruits for seniors. 5. Watermelon. The hydration hero watermelon, with its 90% water content, is a hydration powerhouse that flushes waste from your kidneys. With only 170 mg of potassium and 2–3 mg of oxalates per cup, it's far safer than other melons for kidney patients. Its lycopene, a potent antioxidant, fights free radicals that damage kidney cells, stabilizing creatinine levels by preventing dehydration-induced spikes. Why it's a blessing. Watermelon supports blood flow and waste elimination, keeping kidneys healthy without mineral overload. How to enjoy it. Savor 1 cup of fresh watermelon chunks in the morning or early afternoon when kidney function peaks. For diabetics, pair with a few nuts to slow sugar absorption, 9.4 grams, cup. Avoid juice, which concentrates potassium and sugar, and limit to 1/2 cup if on fluid restrictions. Never eat on an empty stomach to prevent blood sugar spikes. 4. Berries. Nature's kidney bodyguards. Strawberries, blueberries, cranberries, and raspberries are like dessert with a purpose. Packed with anthocyanins and L-argitannins that reduce inflammation driving kidney disease. With 114,233 mg of potassium and 110 mg of oxalates per 1/2 cup, they're safe even for moderate kidney disease. Research shows their antioxidants combat oxidative stress, protecting kidney filters and slowing creatinine rise. Why it's a blessing. Berries shield kidney cells from toxins and inflammation, supporting long-term kidney health. How to enjoy it. Enjoy 1/2 cup 3-4 times weekly, fresh or frozen, no added sugar. Mix with Greek yogurt or oatmeal for a protein boost to control blood sugar. Avoid multi-serving smoothies, which concentrate potassium and sugar. Freeze fresh berries in season for year-round, budget-friendly protection. 3. Apples. The Gut Kidney Guardian apples are the ideal kidney-friendly fruit, with 195 mg of potassium and less than 2 mg of oxalates per medium fruit. Their pectin, a soluble fiber, regulates blood sugar and cholesterol, preventing diabetes and heart disease, key drivers of kidney failure. Pectin also supports the gut-kidney axis, promoting bacteria that reduce toxic waste in your blood. Why it's a blessing. Apples stabilize blood sugar and reduce kidney stress, making them a daily ally for seniors. How to enjoy it. Eat with the peel for 2-6 times more protective compounds. Choose organic if possible. Unsweetened apple sauce is a low-potassium alternative. Store in the fridge but serve at room temperature for best flavor. Snack between meals to avoid blood sugar spikes that strain kidneys. 2. Grapes. The Heart Kidney Protector grapes offer cardiovascular protection, critical since heart and kidney disease often coexist. With 144 mg of potassium per 1/2 cup and 29 mg of oxalates, they're safe for most kidney patients. Resveratrol, vitamin C, and flavonoids strengthen blood vessels and reduce inflammation, supporting kidney health indirectly. Why it's a blessing. Grapes bolster heart health while staying within safe mineral ranges, a dual win for seniors. How to enjoy it. Choose red or dark grapes for higher resveratrol. Eat 1/2 cup mid-morning or at lunch. Freeze for a sweet, low-potassium dessert or mix with low-sodium nuts and chicken salad. Pre-portion to avoid overeating, and store unwashed in the fridge to preserve nutrients. 1. Cherries. The inflammation fighter tart cherries top the list with their high anthocyanin content, which lowers uric acid levels, a boon for seniors with gout and kidney disease. With 160 mg of potassium per 1/2 cup and low sodium, phosphorus, they're kidney safe. Their melatonin improves sleep, which supports kidney function, as poor sleep worsens creatinine levels. Why it's a blessing. Cherries fight inflammation, reduce gout risk, and promote restful sleep, all critical for kidney health. How to enjoy it. Snack on 1/2 cup fresh cherries or diluted tart cherry juice 1 hour before bed. Avoid on an empty stomach if prone to heartburn. Check with your doctor if on blood thinners, as cherries may amplify effects. 7 fruits to avoid for kidney health. Not all fruits are safe for seniors with kidney issues. These 7, while nutritious for healthy kidneys, can worsen creatinine levels and push you toward dialysis. 7. Dried fruits, e.g., apricots, raisins. Dried fruits are potassium bombs. 1/2 cup of dried apricots has 755 mg, 40% of daily limit for kidney patients, and 1/4 cup of raisins has 300 mg, compared to 150 mg for fresh grapes. Their concentrated sugars and oxalates also raise kidney stone risk. Why avoid? Easy to overeat, overloading potassium and sugars. Alternative. Freeze fresh grapes or make apple fruit leather for low potassium sweetness. 6. Kiwis, despite their vitamin C, pack 450,500 mg of potassium and 2736 mg of oxalates per medium fruit, promoting kidney stones and potassium overload. Why avoid? A double threat for stone-prone or kidney-impaired seniors. Alternative. Green grapes or pineapple for tart flavor with lower oxalates and potassium. 5. Cantaloupe and honeydew melons. These melons have 430 mg, cantaloupe, and 475 mg, honeydew, of potassium per cup. A typical 2-cup serving at a barbecue can hit 1,000 milligrams, nearly half the daily limit. Why avoid? Large servings overload potassium, risking heart issues. Alternative. Watermelon, 170 milligrams, cup, in salads or drinks like agua fresca. 4. Avocados. A single avocado contains approximately 1,000 milligrams of potassium, dangerous when combined with other potassium sources or medications like ACE inhibitors, ARBs, which increase potassium retention. Why avoid? Easily pushes potassium to unsafe levels. Alternative. White bean hummus or nut butters for creamy texture. 3. Oranges. A cup of orange juice has 496 milligrams of potassium, and a medium orange has 333 milligrams. A 12-16 ounces glass of juice can deliver 801,000 milligrams, overloading kidneys. Why avoid? Concentrated potassium strains kidneys, especially in juice form. Alternative. Lemon, lime juice, 20-40 milligrams per tablespoon, or strawberries for vitamin C. 2. Bananas. A medium banana has 422 milligrams of potassium, forcing strict dietary limits for the rest of the day. It's risky for heart rhythm, especially with kidney disease. Why avoid? Common but dangerous for kidney patients. Alternative. Apples or pears for sweetness, applesauce in baking. 1. Starfruit. Starfruit contains caramboxin, a neurotoxin that causes hiccups, confusion, seizures, or coma in kidney patients, even in small amounts. 1/2 fruit or 100 milliliters juice. Cooking doesn't neutralize it. Why avoid? Life-threatening for any kidney impairment, complete avoidance required. Alternative. Avoid entirely. Check restaurant dishes for hidden starfruit. Building your kidney-safe fruit plan. Knowledge is power, but action saves lives. Here's how to make kidney-safe fruit choices daily. Half-cup rule. Stick to 1/2 cup servings. Fits in a cupped palm or ice cream scoop. Early-stage kidney disease allows 1-2 servings daily. Advanced stages limit 2 is less than or equal to 1, based on lab values. Portion precision. Don't guess. Medium apple equals fist size. Berries equals cupped palm. Measure to avoid potassium spikes. Smoothie, salad traps. Limit to 1 serving. Avoid multi-fruit blends at juice bars or restaurants. Protein pairing. Pair fruits with protein, e.g., peanut butter with apples, to slow sugar absorption and reduce kidney stress. Preparation. Choose fresh or frozen, no sugar, drain canned fruits to cut potassium by 15–20%. Medication timing. Eat fruits 2+ hours from ACE inhibitors, ARBs, to avoid potassium retention. Symptom tracking. Log muscle weakness, fatigue, or palpitations in a food diary. Adjust if patterns emerge. Overconsumption response. If you overeat high-potassium fruits, drink water, avoid more potassium, and contact your doctor if symptoms appear. Your path to kidney health. Your kidneys don't need expensive detoxes or cleanses. They need thoughtful, consistent support from your daily choices. Watermelon hydrates, berries protect, apples stabilize, grapes strengthen, and cherries soothe, all while keeping creatinine in check. Meanwhile, dried fruits, kiwi, melons, avocados, oranges, bananas, and starfruit can silently harm, pushing you toward dialysis or worse. Rachel's story is a wake-up call. She didn't know her daily banana and orange juice were poisoning her system. But you do. With this knowledge, you can make life-saving swaps. Berries for oranges, apples for bananas, watermelon for cantaloupe. Every day, people stabilize creatinine, avoid dialysis, and thrive into their 80s through these simple choices. Your kidneys can't speak, but they're counting on you to listen. Choose the fruits that bless your body, and let go of those that harm. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. If this guide empowered you, share your thoughts in the comments. For more life-saving tips on kidney health, hit the bell icon and subscribe. If you're worried about your kidneys, check out our video on spotting kidney failure symptoms, link in the description. Stay informed, stay healthy, and let's make your best years vibrant together.